Hi, welcome back. The new IGE UP1B for installation volume calculations is causing a little bit of an issue. It's not changed in any way, shape, or form. We just need to stop before we go to the purge. DB Gas have taken a slightly different variation to make it simpler, to make it easier, and let me show you that just now. So here's a little example. We've got so many meters of 28mm pipe and 15mm pipe. So on your installation, you would count up how many meters of each pipe. I've done that already. So we've got 5.5 meters of 28, we've got 3.2 meters of 22, and 7 meters of 15. What we can use is the new table. This is available to download free from the website under the free download section. So on the tables you can see that we've got values for 15, 22, 28 and 35. So if you want to do the longhand method, you would need to take the number of meters of pipe that you have completed. So instance, we had 5.2 meters of 15mm pipe and multiply it by 0.3014 and then multiply it by 1.1 to add on the fittings. These tables, it's all completed for you. So as you'll see there, we've got 5.5 meters of 28. So what we do is we go to the 5 meter section, which is there, and we go across to the 28, and we've got a value of 0.00297. Now with 5.5 meters, you could round it up to 6 and take that as a value, but for calculation purposes, let's bring in our little calculator. We're going to do first of all 5 meters, so I'm just going to cancel that calculation. So 0.20297, 0.20297, and all I'm going to do is add. No multiplications to do, it's all done inside the table. So then I'm going to look up the table, and this time I want half a meter of 28, so I can go to the 0.5, and now we've got 30297. So I'm going to add to that 0.12300297, and we'll just press equals at this stage. We've then got 3.2 meters of 22. So again, if I wanted to be as precise as I can be, I'm going to go to the 3 meters. So 3 meters is 0.001056. So I'm going to add 0.001056. Bear in mind, we're working with lots of decimal places here. Yeah, and then to that, I'm going to add, now it's 0.2. I don't have a 0.2, so I'm going to add on the 0.25 if I wanted to be really that accurate for assessment. So 0.4 zeros, 0.12340 zeros, and then it's 8 equals. And then we've got 7 meters of 15. So there's my 7 meters, there's the 15 column. 7 meters of 15 is 201078. So I'm going to go and add on to that 0.001078, and that equals 0.005489. Now this installation has a U16 meter, so then we come across to the meter values, and the meter values you'll see there is 0.025, so plus 0.025, and that gives me a total installation volume of 0.03. So scrolling down, this document has a full set of instructions down the right hand side. So it tells you what to do step by step, which is what we've just done with the calculator. And then we come down to the installation leakage rates. So 0.03 or 31, as we said, which is on the calculator, you can see that my leakage rate is now only 1 millibar for that size of installation. If it would be an LPG system, it would be a no perceptible movement. All the information's on the sheet to keep you right, and it tells you what to do with the purge volumes. So you take the installation volume, just that number, multiply it by 1.5, that gives you the purge volume. And if it's an imperial meter, there are still a few out there, then we would multiply the metric purge volume by 35.5 to give us the cubic foot volume. Hope this helps you. It's all free to download at gb-gas.co.uk. There's also a sale on just now with the on-site guides. Go and have a look in the gas shop.